Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you. I'm Dr. Kumaravel, physician and diabetologist from Puducherry. Friends, today is World Heart Day. Every year, 29th of September, we remember Heart Day. We should remember our heart. We should make our heart very joyful. We should prevent all the heart diseases, the cardiac diseases, such as hypertension, diabetes, high cholesterol, and including heart attack. So let us discuss what are the various ways to prevent and safeguard our heart from these harmful diseases. Let us go one by one, starting from hypertension. So hypertension is a high blood pressure which is normally 130 90. Anything above 130 and 90, we consider it as a high normal pressure or an hypertension. So, including the lifestyle modifications, we have to bear in mind that not only medicines will try to put down the blood pressure to normal range, there is a lifestyle modification that we should adapt in our life. So, I'm going to talk to you about the DASH diet, the dietary approach to stop hypertension. What is it? It is nothing but reducing the intake of salt. The normal table salt, 1 spoon of salt contains 2300 grams of sodium. So let us try to reduce the amount of salt which we are consuming in our daily food. Please remember to use a limit amount of salt in our diet. And not only that, try to increase the amount of vegetables and fruits. The fruits and vegetables contains high in potassium, which will definitely tend to put down the blood pressure as much as 6 to 12 millimeters of mercury. And number 3, try to give more time to the physical activities. Normally 30 to 45 minutes of brisk walking or any physical exercise is normally recommended. And the next, try to increase the amount of water consumption from 3 to 5 liters per day in equal intervals. It's very, very important. And let us try to put down our stress as much as possible. Okay, how to bring down stress? Anything which is troubling our mind is called stress. So let us not use our mind as a dustbin, and let us try to solve our problems in such a way that we are living in a very happyful mood. To have a good sleep, 6 to 8 hours per day is normally recommended to reduce the risk of stress and other heart problems. And not only that, we have to screen for all non-communicable diseases such as hypertension, diabetes, high cholesterol, and any cardiac problem starting from the age of 35. Any individuals crossing the age of 35 should compulsorily screen for all these non-communicable diseases which I have mentioned you. That is very important. Any individual having a family history of diabetes or hypertension should definitely bear in mind that we are already carrying a minimal risk factor, and our life should be designed in such a way that we are not putting on overweight. The BMI, the body mass index, that is calculated from height to weight, which is normally 23. 18 to 23 is considered as a normal BMI. Anything from 23 to 25 is considered as overweight, and anything above 25 is considered as obesity. Friends, please remember that the obesity is the first and the foremost cause, the risk factor for any non-communicable diseases. And nowadays, the Americans have tended to adapt our traditional diet, that is a Mediterranean or a DASH diet, so as to consume more amount of seafoods, try to reduce the red meat, the poultry things, and try to consume more amount of protein, reduce the usage of fat, and increase the consumption of fruits and vegetables minimum recommended fruits and vegetables is 2 portions of fruits and 2 portions of vegetables. Increase the amount of fiber in our diet daily. That is very, very important to lose weight and not to gain more weight. And more important is try to have adequate sleep, 6 hours per day for adult, 6 to 8 hours of very good and a sound sleep is recommended to reduce all the stress. And let us try to do yogasanas or meditation in such a way that our mind is very peaceful. We have to make our life very calm and smooth so that we are not bothering about any of the diseases. So friends, I once again recommend you to add upon this healthy lifestyle, to adapt this healthy lifestyle in such a way that we are out of all these non-communicable diseases, starting from hypertension, diabetes, and high cholesterol, and those things. Friends, please remember that one and only when we try to screen ourselves for all these non-communicable diseases, it is not going to give us any clue. It is normally taken as an asymptomatic diseases, that is devoid of, it won't show you any symptoms unless or otherwise we screen for these diseases. So normally hypertension is normally have to be periodically monitored. Your clinician will monitor for you for an hypertension, and that blood pressure should be the target of 130 by 90. Anything above 130, please try to take the antihypertensive pill, that is the medicine for lowering your blood pressure. And not only that, parallelly try to adapt the DASH diet. I once again repeat, the DASH diet is nothing but lowering the usage of salt, increasing the amount of protein, increasing the amount of all fiber rich fruits and vegetables. Please try to make your plate colorful. That will make your life more colorful, and I want you to be always healthy. Thank you.